Welcome back, guys. Embark on a visionary journey as we introduce the top 5 future building concepts where architecture meets innovation. Among these, marvel at the concept of a long mirrored skyscraper reflecting the cityscape in stunning ways. Explore the groundbreaking idea of a floating city in Saudi Arabia, blending urban living with aquatic landscapes. From sustainable skyscraper to eco-friendly designs, these concepts redefine the skyline and environmental consciousness. Join us in unveiling the architectural wonders that will shape the cities of tomorrow. Let's get started, but before watching the rest of the video, please like and subscribe to support us make more videos. The Mukaab. The Saudi Arabian government has revealed the design for the Mukaab, a cube-shaped super-tall skyscraper that will become the center of new Murabba district in downtown Riyadh. The Mukaab aims to become the largest built structure in the world, measuring 400 meters in height, width, and length. The building will be situated in the northwest of Riyadh in 19 square kilometers area that will become one of the largest downtown developments in the world. The Mukaab skyscraper and the Murabba district were announced by His Royal Highness Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdullah Aziz, Prime Minister and Chairman of New Murabba Development Company. The new Murabba district will feature green areas and walking and cycling paths to create sustainable transportation alternatives for the local communities. The neighborhood will feature its own internal transportation system and is designed to offer living, working, and entertainment facilities within a 15-minute walking radius. The cultural offerings include a new museum, a technology and design university, and an immersive theater among the over 80 entertainment and culture venues. Dubai Healthcare City. Welcome to Dubai Healthcare City, the world's first enabling healthcare and wellness-free zone ecosystem right in the heart of the Middle East's most progressive business and tourism destination. Welcome to a city where valued healthcare providers are supported by a strong community service infrastructure, from pharmacies and retail and F&B and personal care. This is a place of excellence, of trust, empathy, compassion, and accountability where local, regional, and global health and wellness seekers search out the very best advice, treatment, relaxation, and support in advanced, future-focused facilities, equipped to the highest of standards with the latest technology. This concept's vision is to be an internationally recognized destination for quality healthcare and integrated center of excellence for clinical and wellness services, medical education, and research. Saudi Arabia's floating city. Saudi Arabia has been proposed as a location for the construction of a massive turtle-shaped yacht dubbed Pangos. If the project is constructed, it will become the biggest sea vessel ever built, essentially a massive floating city. The massive sea vessel will function as a floating city. There will be enough space for hotels, shopping centers, parks, and other public spaces. Unlike a traditional cruise ship or yacht, the Pangos itself will be the star destination, powered by 9 16,800 horsepower HTS engines. The Pangos is expected to have a top speed of just 5 knots, 5.7 miles per hour or 9.2 kilometers per hour. For now, Pangos remains very much in the conceptual phase. One day, however, construction of the futuristic floating city might begin in Saudi Arabia. City in Mars by ABIBOO Studio. The city of Nuwa is on the slope of one of the mountain cliffs with abundant water access located in Temple Mensa. A steep terrain offers the opportunity to create a vertical city inserted into the rock, protected from radiation and meteorics while having access to indirect sunlight. Sustainability, but especially self-sustainable development, is at the core of the Nuwa design. For being self-sustainable, a settlement on Mars needs to be able to obtain all resources locally. After a short initial phase relying on capital investments and supplies from Earth, the system should be able to sustain its growth with local resources only. The highest point of the cliff is Mensa. This vast plain contains the infrastructure dedicated to manufacturing, food production, and energy generation. Agriculture and energy production facilities require direct access to sun radiation but do not need a shield from radiation, as only maintenance personnel and robotics will be operating there. Crop cultivation would be the main food production source, providing 50% of the human diet while processing CO2 into O2 and taking part of the water processing system. Line mirrored skyscraper. The promotional material is striking. Two mirror encased skyscrapers stretching more than 100 miles across a swathe of desert and mountain terrain, providing a future home for 9 million people. Is this the ultimate in high-density living or a grandiose science fiction fantasy? In short, economists, architects, and analysts are not quite sure. So extravagant is Saudi Arabia's plan to create an urban utopia that even those working on the project known as the Line do not yet know if its scale and scope can even be realized. According to the Saudis, artificial intelligence will be central to how people live in the 500-meter high, 200-meter wide structure, a car-free, carbon-neutral bubble that will boast near total sustainability and the temperate, regulated microclimate. Past environmental pledges by the kingdom, such as a vow to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2060, have prompted skepticism from environmentalists. Multimedia personalizations have added color to what until now had been a concept that even some of the project's planners have found difficult to visualize. In this concept, residents will have all daily needs reachable within a 5-minute walk, while also having access to all other perks such as outdoor skiing facilities and high-speed rail with an end-to-end transit of 20 minutes, according to a statement. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. See you in the next videos.